everyone, my name is Victoria Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So we're doing these lights, camera action. No, I'm just kidding. We're doing these Christmas lights as a tutorial today. If you guys want to see the actual cut crease, it's going to be up in another video. I don't know if I'm going to post it before or after, but it's on the James Charles palette. And yeah. So let's get on to this little Christmas tutorial. Oh, also before that, this is inspired by a whole bunch of people, so I'm going to list them over here so you can check them out. Oh my god, all their looks are so amazing. I love them so much. And so check them out. Inspired by. Now let's get on to the video. Hello my beauty babes. So today we're gonna be doing this beautiful lights inspired by, well, it's inspired by a lot of people, so I'm going to list them all here so you guys can check them out. But I'm doing this lights tutorial. A whole bunch of people have been doing it and I've been so excited to do it. And I'm also using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So if you have not checked that out, go ahead and do so. We are going into You're Kidding right now. And let's see where to place this puppy. We'll place it right here. Actually, I should have started off with the lighter colors first, but we are already here, so might as well. Actually, now I should start off with the lighter colors. So I'm going to do yellow next. So yellow is the first one there. So all I'm doing is tapping in little dots. I'm using the Morphe Y22 brush, which is a little bit smaller than a pencil brush. Now I'm going to go in with green to finish off the top portion. Oh, so the yellow I used B, and now the green I'm using Daddy, and the red I used You're Kidding. I'm doing cola for the blue. Make sure we color switch. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the white. So I'm going to use the NYX white liquid liner and just create a dot on all the colors. Alright, so now I'm going over again with all the colors, a little bit over the white liner that we put there. Alright. Now let's go in with the black liner And so what we're going to do is we're going to cut the crease again using the black liner, and then we're going to make little holes going towards the lights. Okay, now we're gonna let this side dry, and we're gonna do little lines going towards the lights. Now, I think there's one more thing we're missing before we end this look. Okay, now that's more like it. There's no holiday look without some red lipstick, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you did, comment down below your thoughts and everything, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our crazy little family that we got going on over here. If you guys have not check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and I don't know what else, but I'll leave it linked down below. I love you guys. Bye.